Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. How are you guys doing today? I am doing great. I decided that today I would like to freestyle. I'll just take some balloons and I'll go for it and see what I can create. I am feeling green today, so everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video. Go ahead and check it out. And without any further ado, let's go. Here is what I'm planning to use in today's video. So I decided to go for these light forest green balloons, bag of 100 12-inch balloons. These came from Angie's, so as these two baggies with ombre orbs balloons. I am excited to see how they're going to look. Then I might be using these bubbled clear balloons. I am very excited about these. These are not latex, these are more like of a plasticky balloons, but they look gorgeous in your balloon garlands. I will be using my electric balloon pump and 260s to construct this balloon garland. If anything else I will be using on top of all this, I'll let you know. I'm ready to blow all of my balloons. I am working with 12-inch balloons, and I would like to use my newer technique that I've been using lately in this balloon garland to show you that you don't have to have 5-inch balloons or any other size balloons to create something pretty. So what I am doing is I am taking two 12-inch balloons and I am blowing them into different sizes. As soon as you're done blowing your balloons, press them against the floor to give your balloons more rounder shape, and then tie your balloons together to create a pair like this. To cluster our balloons, so I'm taking two pairs of balloons, different sizes preferably, and I am intertwining them together. Then I'm adding one more third pair of balloons and doing exactly the same thing, clustering them with the previous two clustered pairs. And now we created these, or this cluster over here. Keep on pairing, keep on clustering. Guys, let's construct our balloon garland. As I said, I am using my 260s to construct my balloon garland. I wish I had clear balloons, not white, but that's all I have right now, so we'll be working with white. I am tying my balloons and creating a rope. I am tying about 5 to 4 balloons in the beginning, and then I will add more as I go. I'll start with 3. Tie your balloon rope to your first balloon cluster. All right, looking good. Taking our second cluster, putting it right on top or to the side, wherever we think the next cluster belongs. Taking our rope and starting to wrap this rope around newer balloons and older balloons, around newer balloons and older balloons. Let's take our third cluster, putting whatever we want to put, our third cluster, rope around newer balloon, older balloon, newer balloon, and older balloon. That's basically all you need to do to construct your balloon garland. Keep wrapping, keep building, and I'm excited to see what we're gonna come up with. To secure your balloon garland, just take your remaining balloon rope, hold it with one hand, with your other take the tail and wrap around one of the balloons. Now you created this loop over here. Take that tail and feed it through the loop, pull on your tail, and that way you're creating knots. Do that a couple or a few times to make sure, and you're good to go. Is over my doorway. I like how it looks. It looks very cute and simple. We're not done yet. We're going to be adding some interesting things to it, but I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands in the description under the video. In that video, I show an up close on how I hang all of my garlands using command hooks and backdrop like fabric, frame, and safety pins. I also answer a lot of questions about balloon garlands, so go check that video out. Now I am taking my rubber bands, my extra clusters. I don't have a lot, I have only 3 clusters, and I am putting them where I think this garland needs more balloons. So let's go. To inflate our orbs balloons, so to inflate them, I will be using my hand pump because all of the self-sealing orbs balloons, they have this plastic insert in them. If you will be using a warm electric balloon pump to inflate these, you have a chance that you can melt these inserts and your balloons will start deflating little by little and your balloons will be basically ruined. It might take a little bit longer, not might, it will take a little bit longer, but you will be sure that none of these plastic inserts will be melted. These balloons will look like inflated. I love to look at them because they're so much fun. They're so colorful. I feel like these balloons will bring a lot of coolness into our simple green balloon garland. You need to inflate your orbs balloons until you won't have any wrinkles on your seams. I still have some wrinkles, but they're not too bad. Still, this balloon looks pretty round, and I don't want to add any more air because I don't want this balloon to explode. They explode extremely loud and they are kind of easy to overinflate. One of the balloons, one of these, already exploded on me off camera and it was super loud. Good thing I have my AirPods in my ears to block that loud bang. I don't know, just good thing. Anyways, keep inflating and I'm excited to attach these to our balloon garland. I didn't expect these balloons to look like this. I kind of like it that they are on a translucent side. These are not foiled. These are just rainbow balloons, I believe. Anyways, this is such a great example to show you these inserts inside of these balloons. That's the insert that I'm talking about, and I am avoiding to melt them and not use my electric balloon pump. So that's why I'm using my hand pump. So I feel like I want to inflate more and kind of mix it up with my foiled balloons. So we'll see. Here is how I am planning to attach my orbs balloons. You can always use glue dots, but you would need to use more than 2 glue dots per foiled balloons because foiled balloons, they don't stick to glue dots that well. So I am taking my rubber band, folding in half, going around my orbs balloon, taking one side, this loop that we just created, taking my other side and feeding my rubber band through that loop, tightening, and now I am ready to loop this rubber band over one of the balloons. You guys, you know what these balloons remind me of? Beach balls. I don't know why, but they do. And they will be such a cool idea to use if you're having this theme of like pool party theme, or beach party theme. I feel like they will fit into that theme very, very well. I am not sure about them. I will keep them aside and I'll figure something out and we'll see if I want to use them or not. So let's deal with these. Off, I really wanted to add something very springy, very summery, and very cute looking, so I decided to go with these white flowers. I bought these flowers at AC Moore. I had a local AC Moore that was closing down and they had crazy sales, so I got a whole bunch of flowers and greenery for a crazy price, so that's amazing. So what I'm doing is I am taking one stem of flowers. Oh, I'm going to be using more than one stem, but anyways. And I am pressing my flowers between my balloons, and I would like to focus my flowers around my orbs balloons mostly, and then maybe spread them out here and there a little bit. Here is what I have for you guys today. This is my setup. I am loving how everything looks together. Everything looks very summery and very springy. I am in love with my rainbow balloons. They look so good. They look so much fun. And I love how they fit into this whole thing. Beautiful. I like these artificial flowers. I love what they did to my garland. They definitely transformed this whole thing to another level. I am liking the quality of these green balloons, even though they don't look green. They look bluish on camera. Don't be fooled. They are very green in real life. I lost 4 balloons. 1 balloon had a hole, and 3 balloons popped on me while I was trying to cluster these balloons into clusters. My fault, because I overinflated some of the balloons just to see how far they're gonna stretch. They are pretty true to size, 12-inch, great quality balloons. I constructed this whole thing with 260s balloons and rubber bands. Everything holds pretty well. I pushed my flowers between my balloons and they do hold pretty well, but I would suggest to glue your flowers down with low temperature glue gun or with some glue dots. Glue dots to some leaves and leaves to the balloon to secure them, just in case, you know. If you're gonna be planning to use flowers like I did here, then I would suggest to secure your balloon garland to the wall or backdrop in several spots, because artificial flowers, they are heavy and they will weigh down your balloons. So to avoid that, just to secure your balloon garland in several spots. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video, and some pictures will be there as well. This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was inspiring and fun to watch. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will be there and I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, you guys, what are you waiting for? Just hit the subscribe button down below for more videos and great ideas. And I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.